Meaning of forelock.
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 Forelock. Forelock refers to a lock of hair hanging down over the forehead. It is typically longer than the rest of the hair and is often combed or braided. In some cultures, forelocks hold special significance and may be used as a symbol of purity or devotion. In the equestrian world, horses have a tuft of hair on their forehead that is also referred to as a forelock. Forelocks can have practical uses as well, such as keeping hair out of the eyes during physical activity or work.